Black newspapers emerged in the 19th century as alternatives to mainstream press coverage. At the time, most major newspapers ignored Black communities or portrayed them through stereotype and omission. Independent Black-owned publications filled that gap. These newspapers reported on local news, labor conditions, migration, education, and political organizing. They also documented violence and discrimination that were often excluded from white-owned media. Distribution networks extended across cities and regions. Papers were shared in churches, barbershops, schools, and workplaces. Information traveled alongside people. During periods of migration and social change, Black newspapers connected communities across distance. They provided context, warnings, and opportunity. Independent media did not simply reflect Black life, it organized it. By circulating information outside white-controlled institutions, Black newspapers shaped political awareness, economic decision-making, and collective response. They preserved records that would otherwise be erased and created continuity across generations. Long before digital platforms, Black newspapers functioned as infrastructure, binding communities together through shared knowledge when no other system would.